I think canvases are pretty cool in JavaScript because it lets you create basically whatever you want. So for example, let me pull up this little zombie game I was working on. Did I turn off the volume? Okay. Okay. Like this element, look at this. This is one element right here. And I created a whole game. I think that's so cool, you know? I mean, this HTML is so basic itself. Like, this is all it is. Then the JavaScript. Here's the CSS. I mean, you could probably tell, but, you know, there's not much CSS. But I really like the canvas element because, you know, it gives you so much creativity to do whatever you want. I mean, look at this. It's not perfectly optimized, but whatever. All from one element. Whole game, collisions, and collisions. Well, for the most part. Like a gun, ain't like from one simple little tool I made this, you know, and this isn't even the craziest thing you can make with Canvas too. You can make like whole 3D games. It's crazy. But I'll play around with it a little more. So here's another file app up. Canvas width equals 100. GX. It's on TX, get TX. Is that right? Let me check. Get context, not get TTX. Okay. So let's just make a little square. Fill rect 0, 0, 100, 100. Okay, what did I just do? Oh, okay. Huh. Fill parameter 1 is not of type path. Oh, fill rects. Okay. Boom. We have a rectangle right here, and we could change the color. TTX fill style. If I could spell, let's make it red. We can make it bigger we can make it wider by adjusting the width property here. Boom. We can make it taller, I guess, by adjusting the height property here. Boom. Then, of course, we can change the X and Y positions. And to make it easier to see, I'll add a border. X. X. Dash, I think. I actually got it right. So let's do 5. Okay. And that just makes it easier to understand what's happening. And there's a bunch of other ways to fill stuff, like there's a way for arcs. What was it though? I don't know. You do text. Hello. It's 0. Hold on. Why is it X? Then we can also do a little loop. So get quest animation frame. And then let's just have an x value, x equals 0. X. And let's clear the rectangle every frame. 0, 0. And do canvas long dot width. Or is it CTX width? Canvas width, canvas dot height. And then x plus equals 1. Should be moving. Let's fix this. So, okay, let me just make sure it's actually running every frame. Oh, it's not. Well, let's see. Okay. Callback. Does this work? Okay, I'll do the other way. Set interval animate, and then now we have a moving square. Isn't that cool? We can change the Y, or I'll even do an easier way. 100. Boom. Look at that. And for my final trick, I'll make it bounce. So if x plus 100 is greater than or equal to the canvas width, then we need to flip the x direction. And I'll change the x variable that the x equals 0. 3y 0. Like this. this times equals -1, else if x is less than 0. Or I can actually just simplify it a little bit. Boom. And then the y is still messed up, but oh, please don't go out of bounds. Well, I guess that kind of works. Nah. Oh, okay. And then let's have the same thing for height. Y. 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 Height. And hopefully this works. Perf. And just to make it more interesting, let's start X out at like 50, because it's just going to hit the corners every time. I mean, it's going to repeat, but this looks so much better. Look at that. Imagine all the possibilities you can do with this one little tool. I guess to make it more interesting, you could like add some random element, because I mean, it's just going to repeat the same pattern. But hey, I mean, this is just a little program. I mean, imagine all the things you could do, you know. So yeah, I hope you like this video. If you like it, like it. If you don't like it, don't like it. And sub if you want. Like if you want, sub if you want. See ya.